people, as we just witnessed, are more than happy to see us down at the ramp, but others, for some reason, well, they're just not quite so much. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting Boynton Beach. And our guy's backed out hard. He's got to watch out. There's rocks in front of him right there. A little bit of wind and current, you can tell, so he's trying to fight that to get back around. So here we go. He's got a little bit of working room now, puts it back into forward gear, and is going to go ahead and make his approach. So he was waiting over here by the courtesy dock. Well, I shouldn't call it a courtesy dock. It's more of a fishing pier here, as the courtesy docks are off the screen to the left. But now he's going to try and sneak in. It was his turn. He's up. Actually, his trailer's already down there. And the jet ski lets go of the dock, but he's not turned on. He's drifting into the boat's path, but the ski's not even turned on. Are they going to hit? And no, they're just going to miss. It looks like by inches, as our guy has to turn now to try and line it back up for the trailer. But he should be good to roll, it looks like. Good job. So our guy's backing up. Oh! No, he's not. Tries again. Man, we have been doing this for years. And I am surprised, in all the years of us doing this, this is the first time I've seen this happen. So this guy's got surge brakes on his trailer, and either doesn't have a 5-pin adapter, because what happens with that 5-pin adapter is it deactivates the surge brake when you go into reverse. And it's not deactivating. His trailer's brakes are locking up as he tries to back down the ramp. So there's a little clip he can put in on the trailer that will stop this from happening as well. But really, he's got... those are his options. He can put that clip in, have the 5-pin adapter hooked up, or he's going to have to back down exceptionally slow. Pull forward just enough to get the brake to release, which it looks like he did. And now he's got to do the slow crawl back down the ramp because he doesn't want to pull back so hard or reverse so hard that he re-engages that brake again. I'm actually surprised. We've been doing this for years, and that is the first time we've ever filmed anybody actually have that issue down at the ramp. And it's not as uncommon as you would imagine. I've seen it happen at the ramp, personally, just never caught it on film. And I mean, heck, I even myself have had my brakes completely lock up at the ramp where things went wrong and I was backing down, and the next thing I know, the brakes just completely locked up and I couldn't even get them free. I had to call a tow truck. So our guy, it's a little easier now. Now that the trailer is down the ramp, it's gonna pull on its own going down. And he should be good, but just an interesting setup there that we hadn't seen. So our ladies are coming in on the dock, and their jet ski trailer's just off the screen. They're trying to back it down now. And here come the ladies on approach. And we're going to hit the dock. One's going to go for the grab. And now we got two going for the stretch. And they'll get it pulled over, and we're going to bang the front as well. But I don't think they're quite done yet. I think they're just about to realize that they came on this dock, but the trailer that's being backed down, that's theirs, they're backing it down the other side, so they're going to have to move over there. And our guy who's trying to back the trailer down is going to try resetting it up. And a little Boynton wobble action, which is pretty common, I feel like, down here for the old jet ski trailer. Again, the easiest way to do this, if they just pop that back tailgate, they'd be able to see the trailer, and it's really simple then. But the problem is when you can't see with the tailgate or the being there, it's just by the time you see the trailer, it's too late. Once you see that it's coming out of position, you're already way out of whack. They're taking their sweet time as they try and get it down. And sending it toward the dock. Kind of almost over into the trees on the other side as well. Are they going to be able to get it from this angle? I mean, it looks like they're trying. They're just going to drive it right into the trees instead of resetting up to try and get it turned back. The things we see these people do down here to try and get these trailers in the water sometimes are really just crazy, but now he's got to pull forward just a little bit. I wouldn't go too far forward because you just used all that work to get it that far back. But there we go. Kind of straight. They should be good to roll, I believe, from here. And it's always a party down at the boat ramp. Again, the ladies always like to show off for the camera. So here comes our lady in to try and dock the boat. Got her dog on the ready. See if he's going to assist with the lines. Probably not. So she's going to turn back. I'm assuming she's aiming for this dock on the right, and I'm assuming that's her trailer backing down. So nice slow roll approach, good speed. You can tell there's a little wind, but if you look at the flag in the distance, the wind today is really behind her, which isn't going to cause a whole lot other than pushing her forward a little faster than she might want to go. Which is one of the most ideal wind conditions down here at Boynton, to be honest, because the wind gets ripping and gives everybody fits. And there you go, she's on the dock. Dog jumps off like, lady, let me off this boat. But good job getting it on the dock. And this one's a tough one right here. We were filming the ramp, and this crew winds up hitting the dock blocker, and they were trying to power off, and all of a sudden their motor cut out. So I'm hoping they didn't suck sand or anything up into it, but they were on the dock blocker, they were trying to use the motor to power it off, and then all of a sudden their motor stopped running. But this is a tough one because now you've got to pretty much call in a tow to get you the last 100 yards into the ramp, or somebody's taking a swim. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well as boating news of the week. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And speaking of Haulover Inlet, we get lots of boats that come through Haulover that are coming back from the Bahamas. Have you ever thought about taking your vessel to the Bahamas? If so, we're going to be at the Palm Beach Boat Show this coming week, and we'll be doing our annual seminar on how to take your vessel to the Bahamas. We're going to be there on Thursday in the seminar booth at 5 p.m. We'll be there Friday at noon, and Saturday we'll host our third seminar at 11 a.m. Feel free to stop by and check us out.